I can't lie. I'm kind of busy right now teaching my son how to ride a bike. Come on, son. Ain't no goddamn way, bro. What happened? Bro, just said he can't drop off right now because he's teaching his son how to ride a bike. Teaching his son how to ride a bike? A bicycle. Can you imagine? And his son like 13. How you 13 don't know how to ride a bike? Hey, bro, is there any way you could pause the bike training session for a couple minutes and maybe come drop off real quick? Anyway? Nah, man, I can't. I'm sorry. I promised my son I'd teach him how to ride a bike. Oh, Daddy, I think I'm getting the hang. Oh, shit, there you go, son. Keep going. So what he say now? He's still talking to me about that goddamn bike. If we give a fuck about his son learning how to ride a bike at the age of 13. At 13, I was stealing my daddy car in the middle of the night and picking up girls that was 14. His son lame as hell if you ask me. Hey,
picking up girls that's 14.
Come on, we need that. Nah, man, again, I really got to teach my son to ride this bike. He learned it pretty fast, to be honest. I wish I could see this shit right now. Junior, get out of the street. Junior, get out of the street. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go. Get Junior in the street. God damn it, Junior.
He meant to say a year older.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm in the middle of work. I won't be able to right now. What? The fool just said he can't drop off right now. He's working out. Working out? What you mean working out? I don't know. That's what the fool just told me, bro. Hey, bro, you sure you can't pause the workout real quick and come drop off? Like, please? Nah, bro. I won't be able to right now. My car's gonna be free for an hour today, and I can't come back later. What now? I ain't saying he can't leave because his trainer only free for an hour and he won't be free later. Trainer? It's not a plug. It's a plug. What the f does a plug need a trainer for? That's exactly what I'm saying. This man's about to piss me the f off. It ain't shit about a plug that requires athletic ability. Hey, bro, what's it gonna take for you to drop off this solid? What's it gonna take? I just told you, bro. I can't drop off right now. I gotta get this workout in. I'm trying to lose some pounds. You're not this fool talking about losing pounds. You can't be serious. Last time my chick plug get paid to move, not lose pounds. This man has priorities all the way f***ed up. Focus on the wrong type of bitch. Pissing me off, man. Hey, bro, you sure you can't drop this shit off, dog? Yeah, bro, I can't do it. Bro, come on, bro, put the phone down. Try this, I gotta go, bro. I gotta go back. In the phone, the phone. It's blocking me bullshit. Oh, you trying to work out. That's what I'm saying, dog. Like, go work out. Go to work. He don't go by you. Work out. He ain't working this out at your house and works it out into mine.
Y'all know to go hit him up on his socials. Appreciate that video. That shit was hilarious.
Give it fast. Different competition getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Last better getting back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relaxing, I can't. But deep in the pack, the sedan, putting tracks in the sand, so my craft at the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8.9 or 8.7, and when I run across state line, I'm 9.1. Clock great time when time come, disappearing in the dark horizon. Way I cut turns on my sharpest diamonds. Got them on tilt like a car's alignment. This is raw refinement, not a hard assignment. I'ma give it gas, give it gas. Thank you.
Anyways, y'all know that we'll be back Saturday and Sunday at 10 a.m. But before we go, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on in the green room, because you know your favorite indoor garden consultant can't not show you the garden these days, especially since we got our big homie Bear Miller genetics into his house. Shout out to the big homie Bear Miller. You go. Make sure they down in that water. Yep. They're ready to run and do their thing. Move you around so you get more light and pop. So it's just slight adjustments to check for, and they'll be all right. They'll make it. Shout out to them. They're already in their final pots, ready to go.